back door, hard, straight. You can get it, okay? So since you can get it because the guy is still in front of you, like a defender like me, that back door is not going to work, you're going to L back cut out, okay? You know what an L cut is? So you come all the way here, you can get the ball, come guard me up. So I'm walking here, right? Boom. I show this fist. I attack right here. Alternate is good. It's gotta be here. Okay? So stay here in front of me, and the back door didn't work. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk up here. Okay? Right before the elbow. Okay? Protect here. Push him a little bit. Come here. Fast, man. Fast, man. Attack. 1, 2, 3. Did you shot fake when you caught it? Are you ready to shoot with the catch? Always be ready to shoot with the catch. Alright, go. Good. Get back down. Move. Good. Good. Very good. Hey, remove all this right here. For your layer. Print. Good. Good. Move. Good. Attack. Very good. Very good. Ah. What Andrew? Are you dribbling harder? Alright, we know what we're going to do. We're going to do something different. Lay on your back. Yeah. Lay on your back. Can you go and dribble?